In order to block Facebook related content on TikTok, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, open your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. If you see any post or content related to Facebook, you can press and hold on the Facebook related post and then tap on Not Interested, that is between Report and Save Video option. Besides that, you can go to the profile of the person who are posting about Facebook and Meta content, and you can go ahead, click on the share button in the top and block them. Now navigate to the settings and privacy. For that, go to profile, tap on the three lines in the top, go to settings and privacy. From here, go to content preferences that you will find between activity center and audience controls. Tap on it. Now tap on filter keywords and add Facebook, FB, Meta under this filtered keywords option. Again, from the settings and privacy page, go to privacy. Then scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of sync contacts and Facebook friends. Tap on it. Simply toggle the switches off and try preventing Facebook ads on TikTok. For that, if you see any ad on Facebook, press and hold the Facebook ad and then tap on hide ad option and choose irrelevant. Last but not least, you can also try uninstalling the Facebook application entirely from your device, and this will also prevent Facebook content from appearing on your TikTok profile. And now you won't be bothered by Facebook while using TikTok. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.